I'm going to do a video here. I'm going to be running around these neighborhoods here. I don't think I'm going to be getting out of this neighborhood, but I'm going to be running around here. Because here's the deal. There's all these questions about whether Black Lives Matter. Okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to roll out here. We're going to roll here. I hope you guys can hear me. And through some of these neighborhoods, okay? And this is right out of Memphis. This is not far from where I was at, okay? And you're gonna see, yeah, you know, there's a deal here, man. There's something that, you know, people are standing up in America because this is their America, okay? This is just a random street that I picked, and you can see what you can see here. All right, this is how people live in Memphis. Some people that don't have anything, don't have a socioeconomic level. I don't know if there's much I can do to comment on this, because there's a lot of there's a reason why people are the way they are in America. Okay, this is J.C. Bacchus, Reverend J.C. Bacchus Boulevard here. This is a school here, Vision, Leadership, Responsibility, Ida B. Wells Academy. That's a very important person in American history as far as civil rights go. So I'm just going to take a run down here and make my comments about certain things. Got guys here and there. Just going to run down some streets, show y'all what's going on in America today as far as why there's a lot of African Americans out here that are actually, you know, they're actually a little upset about things. How y'all doing today?
All right.
All right now. But all in all, we're all Americans, and we're in this together. This is what they don't show you right here. This is what they don't show you. This is what the news don't show you. They don't care. They're just paying people to go out and do this stuff. But you know, there's a reason why they're doing it, though. You know, if you know what I'm talking about here, anybody that's watching this stuff is going to understand. There's a reason for everything. It's not that African Americans they're not crazy by any means. Not whatsoever. This is old stuff out here. And I don't want to get out of the truck because I'll probably be misunderstood because I'm white. Maybe I would be understood, I don't know. But this is just part of the documentary here. We're just rolling and we're checking everything out. In the Philippines, it's a lot worse than this. It really is. It's a lot worse than this. Williams Shop and Grill. But this is the part of America where it's forgotten. The voiceless of the voiceless, because I can't really get to them. I got to draw a line somewhere. We got all these big churches here. Baptist churches are real big out here. So their buildings are real nice. Got an urban wellness center right here. So I'm gonna roll this for a little bit longer. I'm gonna probably drop into some more back streets back here in Memphis. We got a graveyard here. Looks like there was just recently a funeral. A lot of people have died out here. Live and die. It's big. People stay here their whole life, and they have to live under these conditions. There's a reason, though. There's a big reason why we've got some rioting going on today. All right, we're gonna shut this one down.